Imagine trying to pack 40 kilometers of fine thread into a tennis ball. That's the engineering puzzle your body solves inside almost every single cell. It takes 2 full meters of DNA, the master blueprint for life, and fits it into a nucleus thousands of times smaller than a pinhead. The solution begins with the iconic double helix, a structure resembling a twisted ladder. The rails are a sturdy sugar-phosphate backbone, but the rungs hold the secret. They're made of 4 chemical bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. The genius is in their strict pairing rule. Adenine, or A, only ever bonds with thymine, T, and guanine, G, only bonds with cytosine, C. This isn't random, it's a built-in error-checking system. This predictable pairing allows your entire genetic code to be copied with incredible accuracy every time a cell divides. But that still leaves the length problem. To solve it, the long DNA strand is wrapped around tiny protein spools called histones. This creates a structure that looks like beads on a string, the first step in a brilliant packaging hierarchy. These beads on a string then coil into thicker fibers, which loop and fold upon themselves, condensing further and further until during cell division they form the dense X-shaped chromosomes we recognize from textbooks. This system is a perfect marriage of storage and access. Most of the time, the DNA is just unspooled enough for the cell's machinery to read a specific gene and build a protein. Then it's packed tightly away. It is an impossibly compact library, holding the code that connects you to every living thing on Earth.